The Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 is a compact luxury SUV that was produced from 2010 to 2015. While it's a well-regarded vehicle, like any other car, it has its share of problems. Here are some of the common issues associated with the Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 models, along with their potential causes, consequences, and solutions. 1. Transmission problems. Many GLK 350 owners have reported issues with the 7G-tronic transmission, including slipping, hesitation, and failure to engage gears properly. This can lead to loss of power, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even cause an accident. It is often caused by software issues, faulty transmission sensors, or worn-out components, which can lead to the vehicle to becoming stranded or even lead to an accident. The remedy here is to update the transmission software, replace faulty sensors or components, or have the transmission rebuilt or replaced. 2. Engine oil leaks. Some GLK 350 models have experienced oil leaks due to faulty engine gaskets, seals, or other vital components. This can cause engine damage, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even lead to a fire. The remedy is to inspect and replace the engine gaskets, seals, or other components as needed. 3. Coolant leaks. Coolant leaks have been reported in some GLK 350 models, often due to corroded or damaged coolant hoses, radiators, or water pumps. It is usually caused by corroded or damaged coolant hoses, radiators, or water pumps, and can lead to engine overheating, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even lead to engine failure. The solution here is to inspect and replace the coolant hoses, radiators, or water pumps as needed. 4. Electronic issues. Some owners have reported problems with the GLK 350's electronic systems, including malfunctioning infotainment systems, faulty sensors, and erratic behavior from the vehicle's computer. It is often caused by software issues, faulty sensors, or electrical system malfunctions, which can lead to inconvenience, decreased safety, and potentially even lead to an accident. This problem is remedied by an update of the software, replacement of faulty sensors or components, or have the electrical system diagnosed and repaired. 5. Rear main seal leaks. Some GLK 350 models have experienced rear main seal leaks, which can lead to oil leaks and engine damage. This is caused by worn-out rear main seal, and can cause engine damage, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even lead to engine failure. The remedy here is to replace the rear main seal and inspect the engine for any damage. 6. Faulty fuel sensors. Some owners have also had issues with the GLK 350's fuel sensors, which can lead to inaccurate fuel level readings, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even cause the vehicle to stall. A faulty fuel sensor or electrical system malfunction is implicated in this problem, which can cause inconvenience, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even lead to an accident. The solution here is to replace the faulty fuel sensors, or have the electrical system diagnosed and repaired. 7. Worn-out brake pads. Some GLK 350 models have experienced premature wear on the brake pads, which can lead to decreased braking performance and safety concerns, which can cause decreased braking performance, decreased safety, and potentially even lead to an accident. For a remedy, inspect and replace the brake pads and rotors as needed. 8. Turbocharger failure. Some GLK 350 models have experienced turbocharger failure, which can lead to decreased engine performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even cause engine damage. This issue is caused by a worn-out turbocharger or faulty turbocharger components, and can lead to decreased engine performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and potentially even lead to engine failure. The remedy here is to replace the turbocharger or have it rebuilt, and inspect the engine for any damage. 9. Sunroof leaks. Some owners have reported issues with the GLK 350's sunroof, including leaks and water damage. It is caused by faulty sunroof sealing or drainage system malfunctions. Consequences of this problem include water damage, decreased interior quality, and potentially even leading to electrical system malfunctions. The solution here is to inspect and repair the sunroof sealing or drainage system as needed. 10. Air suspension system. Failure. Some GLK 350 models have experienced air suspension system failure, which can lead to decreased ride quality, decreased safety, and potentially even cause the vehicle to become stranded. Worn-out air suspension components or electrical system malfunctions has been implicated in this problem. It can cause decreased ride quality, decreased safety, and potentially lead to an accident. The remedy is to inspect and replace the air suspension components as needed, or have the system diagnosed and repaired. To address these problems, it's essential to follow the recommended maintenance schedule to ensure that your GLK 350 is properly serviced and inspected. Secondly, regularly inspect and replace components such as belts, hoses, and brake pads to prevent premature wear and potential failures. Thirdly, ensure that your vehicle's software is up to date to address any known issues or bugs. Fourthly, check for any outstanding recalls on your vehicle and have them addressed promptly. Lastly, if you experience any issues or concerns, consult a qualified mechanic or a Mercedes-Benz dealership for assistance. By being aware of these potential problems and taking proactive steps to address them, you can help ensure the reliability, safety, and performance of your Mercedes-Benz GLK 350. The Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 is a compact luxury SUV that was produced from 2010 to 2015. While it's a well-regarded vehicle, like any other car, it has its share of problems. The Mercedes-Benz GLK 350 has several direct competitors in the luxury SUV market. Some of the top competitors include BMW X3. Known for its sporty handling and performance, the BMW X3 is a strong contender in the luxury SUV segment. It offers a more agile driving experience and slightly better fuel economy than the GLK 350. Audi Q5. The Audi Q5 is another luxury SUV that competes with the GLK 350. It offers a spacious cabin, decent tech features, and a comfortable ride. However, it may not be as stylish as the GLK 350. Lexus RX. The Lexus RX is a reliable and practical luxury SUV that competes with the GLK 350. It offers superior reliability, a smooth ride, and good resale value. However, some critics find it less exciting to drive than the GLK 350. Volvo XC60. The Volvo XC60 is a stylish and safe luxury SUV that competes with the GLK 350. It offers a comfortable ride, advanced safety features, and a chic interior. Porsche Macan. The Porsche Macan is a luxury SUV that offers a thrilling driving experience and high-performance capabilities. It's a good option for those who prioritize driving excitement. Genesis GV70. The Genesis GV70 is a luxury SUV that offers a plush interior, loads of standard features, and a long warranty. It's a relatively new entrant in the market, but has gained popularity quickly. These competitors offer a range of options for buyers looking for a luxury SUV with unique features, performance, and style.